Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. This is a special edition of Hopping to It with all of us actually here at Four Seasons Kanga Roof. Today, I'm actually joined by my dad, the president of the company, Bill Sr. Everyone always gets to hear about him. You get his business cards when we come out to your homes or your businesses. Today, what we're actually here to talk about, though, is one of our core values, which is safety and protection. There's a lot of things going on in the news right now as it pertains to the coronavirus. The first thing we want people to know is right now we are following all of the CDC guidelines, all of the governmental guidelines to keep, first and foremost, our team members safe. We don't want to get anyone sick and we don't want to endanger anyone. And then right behind that is you, our clients, and our consumers. What we've done is we've outlined some new programs that we think are going to help. But before we get going there, I know I wanted to turn over to my dad just to reiterate from his standpoint the process we've gone through over the last, it's been ongoing over the last, we'll say 48 hours, but it's been over the last 2 weeks probably, just in the process of the decisions we made with the team.
Yep. So first thing, when he says right behind with the safety, that's just a figure of speech. The reason we want our team to be safe is because we want you to be safe. And just recently, we've tasked our team with, in addition to myself and Bill Jr. reaching out to all the people in our industry to figure out the best ways to handle this stuff, we tasked our team with a homework assignment to go home and come up with as many ideas as you possibly can about how to help our team, how to help our clients, things we can do to soften the blow, right down the line. And they came back with some great ideas. We sat down and we whittled about 40 ideas down to 7, 8, or 10. Then we said, okay, what can we reasonably manage? What can we reasonably do? And we got it down to 4 or 5 things that we think are appropriate for both our team and our clients, knowing full well that as we sit here with you today, in 24 hours, there could be 100% change from what's going on. And if that happens, we will adjust on the fly once again.
Yep. And just to review a couple of what those changes are going to be for both internal and external. The first thing you're going to notice is we're going to provide all of our clients with a one-sheet safety guideline for when we are out at your home or business, what we are able to do and what we're not able to do from a contact and a distance standpoint during inspections or sales calls. So that's number one. The other thing you're going to notice right off the get-go, if you call into Four Seasons Kanga Roof, Deanna and Krista and Brian and the rest of the CCR team are going to ask you some health screening questions. And that is, again, it's to keep our team members safe so that we keep the rest of the community safe as well. Now, if you were not to pass one of those questions, we're still going to be able to help you. We've come up with some unique programs as it relates to getting you some temporary repairs, especially for those out on the front lines, which would be the military, anyone in the medical field, first responders, EMS, firefighters, police officers. We have some really unique programs that we're going to have outlined for you, and we'll be posting them to our website or social media, and those will be included in that one sheet. The other really big thing for everyone to be aware of is we've gone through additional protocols now. Whenever we're coming out to your home, everyone's going to be wearing a brand new set of rubber gloves, a brand new set of floor savers, and as soon as we leave, they're immediately disposed of, and the team members are immediately instructed to wash their hands with antibacterial soap.
In addition to that, what we're asking, the questions we're asking you, we're asking our team every single day as well, because we don't want them to bring something into a work situation that they could possibly transfer onto our clients or any other team members.
Yep. And just so you have the peace of mind there, we are keeping the employees inside the building to roughly 10 or less. Very often we're down in the 2 to 4 range. All of our meetings have now gone to remote digital meetings, so we're limiting the exposure of our team members coming in. Again, this is all about just trying to be level-headed and keep you safe, keep our team members safe. Some things that we're excited, though, to share with you that we've now kicked off. Our 5-year, 0% roof replacement financing program, we're going to actually extend that for the next 6 months. So that way those folks who are experiencing hard times and maybe suddenly don't have the funds or they have better ways they need to allocate those funds, It's going to be a great way to still get the protection you need with the roof. For those folks who are senior citizens or have pre-existing health conditions or meet that first responder category, if you got a leak, we're actually going to do free tarping and temporary repairs for you. You're welcome to call in. We'll walk you through how to get that scheduled, because you guys and gals are the ones out there really doing incredible work trying to keep the rest of the community safe, and it's the least we can do. For the rest of us, general public, we're going to be actually donating the service fee to a local charity to help folks who are struggling to get food or necessities, maybe are homebound or quarantined. And this is all just in an effort to, again, be proactive, be reasonable, be safe, because, roofing is not necessarily what you think of as an essential service, but we really are. Because when you spring a leak, we are the ones who are going to be able to get out there and get that roof leak stopped when so many people are quarantined at home. And I know that for you, Dad, was a really big motivation.
Correct. And one thing that's very important, we offer a thorough, complete inspection, because you can't fix something if you don't diagnose the problem correctly. So what we're saying to our seniors who might be at risk, who are at risk, or anybody else, we don't need to come inside your house. Normally we demand to come in because we have to look in the attic and we have to do a thorough, complete diagnostic. But at this time, we are willing to come out, stay outside the house. You never actually have to physically come in contact with our team. We will do a visual inspection from the outside. We will do whatever temporary repairs we need to, free of charge. And then once this passes, and it will pass, I have complete confidence, then we will come back out, do our complete, thorough analysis, provide you with permanent, long-term, either repair or replacement options. But in the meantime, you can rest assured, sleep good at night, knowing that you're going to be safe and that your roof is going to be taken care of.
Yep. And the last thing just that we decided to do for folks who really maybe are in that position, they do a temporary repair to buy them the time, but they need a roof replacement. If you sign up with us and you utilize either the financing or you put down the $500 deposit, I'm really excited about this, because we're actually going to freeze your pricing for you at that point. And we're going to hold that for at a minimum 6 months for you to buy you the time you need. So you can take advantage of the 5-year no interest. You can sign up now. You don't even have to worry about even thinking about having that roof installed for 6 months. So you can get everything hopefully taken care of by then, because we are confident. We think this will pass. But we don't know exactly when, and we don't know how long, and we don't know the long-term financial effects for a lot of folks. So we want to make sure we do our part to try and help you out there. So we hope you found this beneficial. Is there anything else you want to add for the greater public, Pops?
Not really. Just keep the faith. We're going to keep the faith. If you need us, call us. We're going to take care of you. We're going to do it safely. We're going to do it safe for you, safe for our team, and we're all going to get through this together.
Absolutely. So guys, you heard it right there. We hope you're all staying safe. Hopefully you're not going crazy if you're on quarantine right now, but we'll be hopping to it each and every day that we're allowed to and we're able to. We hope you're hopping to it to keep your loved ones safe. We will talk to you soon. Take care, everybody.